Hey guys, this is Rafa for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. As per my analytics point of view, I've seen that most of 92.7% people are non-subscribers and only 6.7% subscribe to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I will be doing a random shout out to any subscribers, right? So if you want to get notice, then do subscribe to my channel. And also for regarding regular dose of positivity, right? Positivity in every sense is very much important, right? As I am not getting views, as I am not getting that subscribers, as I am not getting that noticing thing, right? I can't quit YouTube. Why? Because this is my hobby and this is what I enjoy doing it each and every day. Now since 3 to 4 days if I doesn't make video, then I feel that something is lacking in me and I need to speak about, and so I make a video on consistent basis in every 3 to 4 days, and it has become my habit, and I enjoy making these videos consistency on regular basis. I don't care whether I get that followers, like, subscriber, all that numbers, right? What matter is what content, what value I'm putting for my subscribers, for the people who are watching, who are ready to watch my videos, right? It is very much pleasing that whatever views or whatever I am getting, I am doing my 100% each and every day. I never give up, right? A lot of people give up in the long run. They don't have that consistency, perseverance. There are certain traits for self-actualization which I notice that one must have in order to succeed in life. Yeah, so there are 10 traits for self-actualization if you want to live a self-actualized life. So what are they? First is faith. You must have faith in yourself. When you don't trust yourself, then nothing happens. You cannot manifest anything. You can't do, nothing is in your hands, right? So faith is the first important thing. Next important thing is love what you are doing. Are you loving what you do each and every day? Because love is the single most powerful element in this universe through which manifestation can happen. Anything that is created is with the power of love. So are you having that? Ask yourself. Next point is confidence. Are you confident in yourself? Whatever I am speaking, whatever the message is I am delivering, I am confident and I believe in myself. I take 100% responsible for everything that happens in my life. So it makes me confident enough. It feels me confident, and that's the reason this is the self trait for self actualization. Next, patience. Are you having that patience? YouTube is not a, Rome was not built in a day. YouTube is not just spending time and doing this thing, right? It requires patience, right? Success doesn't come easily. It requires efforts, patience, consistency, and all the stuff. So next point, we have consistency. I already told that I do my work on consistent basis, on regular basis. In 3 to 4 days you will find my videos appearing, right? And you can watch all this and learn something from them and implement into your life. So next is consistency, which I am talking about. I am consistent in my work and I will be keep doing this no matter what happens, no matter what followers, what likes and subscribers I am getting. Next is perseverance. We have to do hustle, right? Hustle every day, right? Don't give up, right? That's what we are meant for. That's what life is, a journey, right? You need to continue each and every day, right? Make progress each and every day. Do 1% better each and every day. In that way you make 365% better of yourself. So I am perseverance about that. Competitiveness. No, I don't say any competitiveness, but yeah, it is necessary somehow to see the your competitor, who are your competitor, who are doing the stuff that you are doing, and compare yourself with those. Sometimes competitive is necessary. It will urge you to create more and to make more better content, and this is the self trait for self actualization. Next is appreciation. Now appreciation, while I am making any kind of videos, if I get like, comment, or if I get any appreciation of whatever work I have done, it urges me more, right? I get self motivated, right? And it leads to my, to the correct path, to the correct goal that I am having. So this is the self trait for self actualization. Next, consciousness, awareness. Are you aware of what is going on inside of your body, inside of your mind? If not, then you need to focus on your breath, right? You need to meditate each and every day to know your consciousness, your awareness, right? Your thoughts, your feeling, your emotion, your emotional content. This is the basis of 10 self trait for self actualization. Next is courage. Are you having the strength? I am capable, I am enough, I can do it, I am doing now, yes, I am powerful, yes, I am strong, I am motivated, right, I am energetic, I am skillful. Are you having that courage, right? And when you are having courage, then only you can speak, right? Speak even if your voice shakes. So this takes about 10 important points for self trait of self actualization. I repeat again, these 10 points which you must have for self actualization. These are the 10 traits. So first is faith in yourself. Next is love, loving yourself or loving what you do. Next is confidence. Are you confident enough? Next is patience. Are you having patience, or you are just doing fast, making the things just like you can get any burger or something fast delivery, right? Are you having patience? Are you having consistency? Are you doing that on regular basis? Are you perseverance? Are you hustling in your daily day-to-day life? Are you making things happen? Next, competitiveness. Are you competitive enough in this world, in this surrounding, in this people comparativeness, right? Next, appreciation. Are you getting some kind of appreciation in your life? Are you being self motivated? Ask yourself. Next is consciousness, awareness. Are you aware of what is happening inside your body, inside your mind, body, right? Your overall thinking, right? Next is courage. Are you courage enough? Are you brave enough, right, to stand of what is truth in life and stand for it? So these are the 10 traits for self actualization. If you want to live self actualized life, then you need to follow these 10 traits. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. Remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.